Look at the next definition, motion. So I can define the motion as if the position of a body changes with respect to time or surroundings, it is said to be in motion. So unlike in rest, see here, if at all at the time interval, at the time instant t is equal to 0, if B is at a distance of some 5 meters, let us say. So let us say it is at 5 meters. If B is at a distance of 5 meters at an instant, then if A observes the position of the B after 5 seconds, let us say the separation is going to be some 8 meters. Then we are going to say that B is in motion with respect to A. B is in motion with respect to A, because as time changes, the position of B is changing. The position of B is changing. So B is in motion with respect to A. Here in the second case, B is at some 8 meters, let us suppose. Now A is moving. Then if this person moves by 3 meters, then the next separation would be 5 meters. This is also indicating that here we say that though A is moving, since the reference point lies with A, he always thinks that he is at rest and B is moving. So though the displacement is with reference to though the position changes with respect to A, we say that B is in motion, because A is the reference, B is the observing point. So whether B is moving or A is moving in physical sense, we always think that A as the reference point and B is said to be in motion. That means if at all the position changes, here the position is changing with respect to time. As the time is changing, the position is changing. Here surroundings are changing. So A is the reference point in the beginning. Now A has moved to some other point. So surroundings are changing. Suppose there is a book on the table. As long as the book remains on the table and you are observing by sitting in a chair, you say that the table is at some 5 meters from you. It is at rest. Suppose you are moving away from the chair. You just got up from the chair and moving away from the chair. Then the separation between the book and you is increasing. You always say that the book is in motion. Actually, you are in motion in physical sense, but physics wise, the book is moving away from you. Similarly, you are rested, you are in the same seat, whereas book is displaced, then you say that still the book is in motion. That means in both the cases. So whether reference point changes or the object changes, in both the cases you say that it is in motion. So that all depends upon your relative condition. So whenever an object, an observing point changes its position with respect to a reference point, either in terms of time or in terms of the surroundings, then you say that it is in motion. So this is the definition of motion. So there should be a difference in the initial conditions, either by means of the object in the observation or the observer, whatever it is. Whoever changes the positions, then you say that a motion has occurred.